It's Joe Andrews for Joss Moses Kitchen. Ulli Vada. To make Ulli Vada, it's a little bit of time consuming. We have to fermentate the lentils, then we have to make. But this is instant. This is made with Sooji or Rava. So only take 10 minutes to prepare the whole thing out. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can make 11 pieces of vada. Add 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of oil, salt to taste. Bring to boil. Onto the boiling water, add 1.5 cup of semolina. Onto a low heat, stir continuously. Make sure there is no lumps. Turn off the heat, make a dough like this. Cover it and rest for 5 minutes. Remove the cover. Give a quick mix again. Transfer the mix onto a bowl. Add chopped onions half. Few curry leaves chopped. Salt to taste. 2 pieces of green chilli chopped. Few ginger fine chopped. Few cilantro chopped. Give a quick mix. It will be hot. Squeeze the lemon juice of just half only. Half teaspoon of cracked black pepper corn. Well combined. Make a lemon size ball like this. Flatten it. Make a hole at the center like this. Flip it around. Make sure there is a hole at the center that can visual both sides like this. Make everything and fry in hot oil. Fry until crispy and golden in color. Make sure you flip in between. Or remove from the oil and enjoy. Beautiful flavors. The ginger, the curry leaf, onions, enhancing the flavors. So good. Really good. Thanks a lot to eat. So enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.